in this video, we will see together the prepositions and the relative pronouns. And especially we'll focus on one preposition for this video, and it will be the preposition par. So we will cover le féminin singulier, le masculin singulier, le féminin pluriel et le masculin pluriel. Just because for all these forms you will see that you will have some slight changes, so it's always good to cover all these situations. So the first one, féminin singulier, let's start. So par will be the preposition of this video. So now we'll have two different cases. The first one will be if we want to combine it with a living or animated thing. And in that case, look, we will end up with this sentence. So, c'est la personne. So we agree that in that case, la personne, it's a living thing because it's a person and it's feminine and it's singular. La personne. After that, we will put the preposition par, and then the pronoun that we will use will be qui. C'est la personne par qui je suis passé pour vous contacter. D'accord? So you need to remember that in that case, we will use qui because it's living. Then let's see the second category. The second category will be animated and not animated, but not living. And that's the main difference between the two. And look, c'est la ville par laquelle je suis passé pour aller en France. D'accord? So as you can see in that case, la ville, obviously it's not a living thing and it's not even animated. So feminine singular, la ville. So we'll put the preposition par. Then we use the pronoun relatif. And in that case, it should be the feminine singular because la ville, it's feminine singular. Laquelle? C'est la ville par laquelle je suis passé pour aller en France. D'accord? So remember, living here will be qui, and the good news, I will tell you that in advance, but it will be used for the masculine, for the singular, and for the plural too. And then in that situation, not living, la ville, so we'll use laquelle. So let's have a look at masculin singulier. Masculin singulier, so same thing here. Preposition is par. We'll start with the living and animated. And so, c'est l'employé par qui je suis passé pour vous contacter. D'accord? So in that situation, not tricky at all. As I told you previously, and now this is the good news because you can see that we will use qui, whether for the feminine singular, masculine singular, feminine plural, and masculine plural. There will be only one form and it will be qui. C'est l'employé par qui je suis passé pour vous contacter. Second category, animated and not animated, but not living. C'est le pays par lequel je suis passé pour aller en France. So in that situation, le pays, masculine singular word, we put the preposition par, then we put the pronoun in the masculine singular form, lequel, lequel. C'est le pays par lequel je suis passé pour aller en France. Allez. Let's have a look now at the feminine plural, le féminin pluriel. Le féminin pluriel, same concept, par is the preposition of this video, living and animated. Ce sont les personnes par qui je suis passé pour vous contacter. Ce sont les personnes par qui je suis passé pour vous contacter. As I told you, so it will be always qui, whether for the masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. And so let's see now the animated and not animated. Ce sont les villes par lesquelles je suis passé pour aller en France. Hein? Donc les villes, feminine plural word, par the preposition, then you put here your pronoun. Remember, feminine plural form of this pronoun. Lesquelles. Ce sont les villes par lesquelles je suis passé pour aller en France. And let's finish with the masculine plural, le masculin pluriel, par living animated. Ce sont les employés par qui je suis passé pour vous contacter. So as you can see, if we're talking about people, it will be extremely simple because you just need to put your preposition par and then you put qui, whether it's singular, plural, masculine, or feminine. And then animated and not animated, ce sont les pays par lesquels je suis passé pour aller en France. So in that situation, les pays, it's masculine, it's plural. We put the preposition par and then we put the masculine plural form of the pronoun, lesquels. Ce sont les pays par lesquels je suis passé pour aller en France.